Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to describe about the tool of drilling and mining machine. It used for drilling the material. The step one is I plug into AC power. So and then I push on the button, the green the button. So it can be run the motor, and the motor can be it if I give a drill in here, and then I run it to the material and put on and at this, and I put the material in this. So if I run this material, so I run it to use for material cannot move in here and here like this, the material. So if I drilling the material, I can move the material, move in here. This iron this, it can move the material. The material can for the position of the drill, and then the drill can put down the drill. So it will be drilled, and you can make a hole, you can make everything and form other. Thank you about your attention. Drilling and mining machine. Thanks.